Hello my friends, welcome to Trading Cast. Today is 8th of April 2025. So today BURSA stop dropping. Okay, at least stop dropping. We have to see a stop first. Maybe there's I think there's a short-term rebound because everyone is trying to negotiate on the tariff. Or if we manage to get a good deal from the US, we might even gain advantage, right? You see now China is all out war fight, the trade war with US. So US increase, they increase US, increase 34. They increase 34. So now US say they want to increase another 50, right? So China say maybe they want to fight to the end. They maybe want to increase another 50. So at the end of the day, we might be the one who benefit, right? Our E, if it doesn't get any increase, right? We might be. That's why I don't look at the trade war as all gloom and doom. Everything must die, everyone. So you see, for as a businessman or as an investor, you have to know where are the opportunity. Just don't invest based on like and don't like. Every day like you invest, don't like. Most of the time when you start to like, right, it's really too late. Okay, so you see now you see growth rebound, right? Maybe if our E, our team go to US, want to negotiate, okay, get a good deal. Maybe even we will gain a competitive advantage over China, this electronic product, right? It could be also, right? I mean, component product, I think cannot fight but electronic component, maybe we will have an advantage. Now our glove also, once US increase 34, now increase another 50, right? Or if this continues, so China want to fight, right? Okay, he say want to go fight to the end. So all these when the big boys fight, okay, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, all these might have an advantage, because when people are fighting, okay, we look for opportunity. So you see, BURSA Malaysia could at the end could have become a benefit, okay. But I'm not saying sure now. But of course, Malaysia will benefit. We don't know yet. But you see today, there are some movement. So we have to wait and see. I'm not saying guarantee it's a good thing for Malaysia. I'm not saying because. We kena 24% tariff also consider bad but I mean you have to find opportunity out of this mess this is just what I'm saying as an investor okay. So at least you recover. If you do well as an investor, at least you got money to spend, right? Okay. Quick disclaimer before continue. Today also all about the trade war only not many press want to release any news because everyone also want to read about this tariff only. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, let's check out the market first. Now it's 339. Okay, market not yet close but today I don't think market will move because now that escalation it's still the US and China escalation still continue, and we haven't get any new deal coming out. A new negotiation. We know that EU initially said they don't want to negotiate, but now EU already start to negotiate. We see Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, UK, Canada, and Mexico already kena already. They didn't kena this time so I think that one is okay. Then now we want to see whether China want to negotiate or not. With China negotiate, I think everything will be fine. I think maybe now still volatility, but everything once all this if China want to negotiate, I think probably everything will come down. The market maybe will have a short rebound. I'm not saying long-term rebound. Long-term rebound because maybe the damage already done to the market. So maybe short-term rebound, I think it might drop again, but we have to wait and see what are the further negotiation. from this trade war, this tariff thing lah. Okay, so wait and see. Don't be too eager first lah. Okay. Bursa, now it's 1444 lah, up a bit 0.8 points, 0.055%. Singapore still dropped 1.315%. Hong Kong rebound 1.638%. South Korea rebound 0.259%. Japan big rebound because Japan is negotiating. So you see now when you can get your way out of the tariff, right? You could gain an advantage over all the other. So this is just you need to know how to play the game lah. Just don't when you kena when you straight away being hike lah. Thailand dropped 4.135%. Philippines China FTSE up 2.094%. SSE up 1.582%, and the SSE up 0.643% lah. Australia up 2.27%. See all these okay, starting to have a bit of rebound lah. Taiwan still down lah, 4.016% unless they get a good negotiation lah. And Nifty India rebound 2.218% lah. Okay, UK yesterday up 1.663%, and this DAX up 1.876% lah. So this one we hear that UK already say want to negotiate, and we heard that EU also want to negotiate lah. The last news that we hear lah, whether it's confirmed or not, I cannot confirm yet. But what I hear that they also want to negotiate lah. Okay. So I probably end of the day, a lot of this tariff is not going to be implemented lah. This is just how Donald Trump, the way the art of the deal lah. He will use all this leverage to negotiate only lah, most of the time lah. But we have to wait and see lah. Okay. Dow Jones US dropped 0.912%, NYSE dropped 1.021%, S&P dropped 0.233%, and Nasdaq up 0.99%. So this is big spike yesterday, big down and big up and big down lah. So whenever news still come out negative, you drop, then good news come in, then it will go up because yesterday it went up a bit because due to this Trump, the rumor saying that Trump want to delay the tariff lah. Also then it start to rebound a bit. Then the Commerce Secretary went out and say no, they are not going to delay, right? So the market drop again. So very volatile lah. Now you have to be careful lah. We have to see, wait for the smoke to clear lah. Okay. Crude palm oil 4764 lah. So oil and palm oil better not touch first now. Brent oil 64, crude oil 60, gold 3024, silver 330.17. So silver suddenly up again. Okay. US dollar against ringgit 4.4 lah. So dollar is getting stronger lah. Okay, Bitcoin also rebound a bit 79, Ethereum 1566 lah. So rebound a bit also lah. So look at Bursa now it's 344. Now it's not time to pick bottom yet, I think lah. So don't be too eager go and pick bottom lah. So we got this MyG revenue, all this after big drop lah. After big drop, all this small rebound only lah. Okay, later want to take a look at the glove lah. The glove are the strongest today. Okay. Look at the sector, consumption up 2%, consumer up 1.06%. All in percentage, energy dropped 0.05, finance dropped 0.13, healthcare big rebound 2.64, industry up 1.05, plantation dropped 1.11, property drop up 0.73, rate up 0.62, technology up 0.69, telco up 0.36, transportation up 0.07, utilities dropped 0.32. Okay. So let's take a look at this. Yesterday, foreign fund actually yesterday sold 1 billion. That's why lah. Yesterday local institutions buy like crazy. 875 million they buy in or else it's going to be even more hectic. 1 billion out yesterday. No wonder lah. So this one this foreign fund, local institution buy like mad, and this local retail also buy like mad, or else yesterday we are going to get those like Singapore, drop. Okay. Wow, scary. Okay, but the more scary, the more opportunity, I can tell you. Okay. Okay, look at Bursa. Okay, KLCI lah. So KLCI stock from dropping lah. So now we got this inside bar, this mother and son. Probably I think it might because you see almost reached 1,004 already yesterday. So now keep back. So it might rebound back to this support area, this resistance area lah. These are 1,000 near 1,005 area. There could be a rebound because now it ceased to drop lah. So now we are going to our commerce team are going to go negotiate lah. Maybe we got a good negotiation then. Ace market also up 0.46 so we really hit the bottom channel. Maybe we have a small rebound. I'm not saying this one is long term okay, this one could be a small one. Then we hear more escalation from US on the 9 right, more escalation, then market will be fearful again, then it could drop again. So don't be too trigger happy. Mid cap is up 0.89% also lah. Maybe come back to test the resistance. Small cap 1.16 up. Also probably come back test the resistance lah. But don't be too happy lah. Construction also mother and son, maybe you come back close the gap and see what happen lah. Consumer also lah. All these I think is coming back to close the gap lah. Okay, coming back to close all these are coming back to close the gap, right? KLCI coming back to close the gap I think. Okay. Plantation continue drop. Oil plantation and oil dangerous lah. Okay. Healthcare want to see healthcare okay. Okay, healthcare small we got mother and son so healthcare we want to wait. Now is don't trigger happy first. Because US and China is still trying to play chicken means you shoot I counter shoot, you shoot I counter shoot, see who chicken out first something like that so we have to wait see which side US chicken out first or this China chicken out or at the end they say let's negotiate if this happen then maybe then glove but if China want to negotiate then this might not be a good news for healthcare also for glove okay, if they negotiate and the tariff go down then we could be in trouble. That's why you don't be too happy jump in first. No doubt yes glove is very strong but don't be too happy because first we haven't reached the execution date, right? Execution now it's 8 tomorrow start to execute right, tomorrow night US time right. Okay, and whether China going to counter after counter whether they negotiate, so all these things is still very dangerous okay, so you have to be careful plantation also drop okay, and other than that not much healthcare don't be too happy okay, because we have to wait and see what is the what's the outcome so if we continue fight okay, Trump don't want to negotiate, China don't want to negotiate, then I think then maybe we'll start to rebound because of course China at 34% tariff probably still can fight with our glove price but and add another 50 unlikely I think they can fight unlikely they can fight. Okay, let's check out this Facebook, see a lot of comment also today. John Cyber, in my opinion, after the big drop, today positive number are expected and can't be taken too seriously Yeah, it's true it's true. Okay, so because first we haven't even reached the execution day of the tariff So if the execution day come in, Trump or the Trump administration say, a lot of these leaders already call me to negotiate, we will delay, then maybe the market will continue rebound, then maybe our glove all this may continue rebound But as I said, if China want to negotiate, then our glove might not gain an advantage. Okay, just now starting to drop WCT, but nothing much now nothing much all is still dropping better not touch anything here now. Okay, 分享大家机会有嘛，但got chance wait now it's too risky because China just fire one shot back to US, so you think US then Trump also say initially after the first announcement 34%, China say want to increase 34%. Then US say we know increase you another 50%. Now China say we're going to increase US another 50%. So they are fighting what they call that pound per pound something like that punch per punch or something like that. So very dangerous. So we have to wait for all this to see. Okay, if they start to negotiate, everybody win, right? I think the market will start to rebound, everybody. Okay, if they don't negotiate, probably both of them will lose. All our Malaysia, all this probably will gain an advantage, right? There's a chance for us to gain an advantage finally, of all these big players, all these big China, US, all these big giant players. So Malaysia, all this might be or might have a chance to shine if we manage to negotiate, if our team go to US manage to negotiate a good deal okay. You want me to look at so many but no point one, no point one. Okay, I look today also no point one. We have to wait tomorrow after the 9 and only we see what's happening. Now no point one. You ask me to see so many after such a big sharp drop, sure there will be some rebound but no point one. For now, at least wait for tomorrow. Okay. Opportunity coming. We have to wait Tak Lau say it's trap. Be careful. Chan say I mean patience wait a bit longer. Wait a bit longer. Okay. Wait a bit longer. Tan say we gong fan you dead cat bound or something like that Okay. I mean something like death smile at you, something like that, like say. Wong say one day all red, one day all green. Okay. This is a scam. John Sniper, you have to be very careful. Yeah, me. Caution. Okay, correct have to be cautious. Terry say it's a trap. Okay. So we have to take note. Now it's too early to do anything. Now it's too early. Because they are still US and China is still fighting. Huge opportunity to capsize on once the noise clears and chart show reversal pattern could be further drop before we see some potential reversal. In my opinion, still early to go fishing. Correct John Sniper, very good. John Sniper is one of my students. Okay, so he understand how to have patience, how to wait for opportunity. To simply shoot. Harry say run opportunity to run. Joe say not lasting. Kerry say continue wait. Darren, what you gonna do about it? Wait come on do something. Darren. Stanley rebound. Aaron. Happy Aaron Okay. This always happen John Sniper say Darren. Oh no, Darren. Do something. Okay, don't do anything yet. The best in this kind of condition, don't do anything first. Because you think you have an advantage, right? Because you think this is going to happen, but market will never happen by how you think. If how you think, if market always happen at how you think, right? You should be millionaire already, right? Unless you are millionaire now so maybe okay. Market will never let you know what will happen. Market will always find a way to screw you unless you have the kung fu to see to spot reversal, to spot breakout, all these okay. Which high probability, nobody guarantee, but high probability means when you see something, this A happen, B and C happen, B between B and C, B will happen more. So you will choose the B route, right? Okay. Okay, that's why you have to know Okay. Okay, let's look at all this. Wow. Trade war.
更新特朗普
Updated. China vows fight to the end, as Trump warns 50 PCT more tariffs, BTTV.
Okay. So, more escalation. So at the end of the day, we could be the one who benefit.
China vowed on Tuesday to fight to the end against fresh tariffs of 50% threatened by US President Donald Trump, further aggravating a trade war that has already wiped trillions off global markets.
Okay. We have to find opportunity.
Bank Nagara may consider lowering OPR as counter-cyclical measure amid potential growth risks, HLIB.
Okay.
MIDF research says Swift haulage a buy after it hits record low.
Okay, so they give a target. Where is it really? Yeah, you can buy at 40 cents. Well, later we're gonna take a look at the glove lah. Okay, Swift. Okay, Swift still dropping lah. I think drop further first. Wait for it drop further. I think still dropping. After drop further, maybe got chance lah. Okay.
Kerajaan jumpa pentadbiran AS akhir bulan ini bincang tarif timbal balas.
Okay. Well, so they are going to US to discuss whether they want to retaliate or whichever lah. So see how the discussion come out lah. If they come out bad also, then it will be bad lah. Okay.
Malaysian glove makers to gain from further US tariff hike on China.
Okay, this is the news lah. Okay.
Malaysian glove makers are expected to benefit should the United States, US, President Donald Trump act on his threat to impose an additional 50% tariff on Chinese goods if China does not withdraw its retaliatory tariff, said CIMB Securities SDNBHD.
Okay, so we look at this glove. So after there's an article they say if remain 34, their average selling price is still quite similar to Malaysia, but if we add another 50, they will be above above our price our average selling price. Take a look first. K plus 6% today, but K plus remain the same thing. 0.185. You need to break through 0.185. Convert 33 cents. Remain the same thing You need to have a breakout first Hatta 7% up today. Volume, see the volume. Volume also average only average. So Hatta also 2.18. You need to break out first I put alarm here just in case it start to break out because this is not firm yet we have to wait whether the further escalation between US and China, what happened, okay, whether our glove really can get advantage or not. X-Care, they also not moving. HLT really can get advantage or not, we have to wait and see. HLT at least 8 cents, you need to break out. KOSSAN, KOSSAN 187, 1 ringgit 87. So we need to break through all this, then maybe we are going. Maybe we really will have a long-term advantage Okay. Okay. Supermax. Supermax is below 77 cents, right? Okay, so we hang above 77 cents a few days, then maybe we take a look. Top glove today up 9%. Top glove 7% up. Top glove have to go through. Okay, at least have to go through 92 cents. If we can break through 92 cents, maybe maybe now they might have an advantage You see the onslaught of the Chinese glove the production. You know, we were at the top here, top glove for how much, 8 ringgit, right? After the onslaught, okay, of the Chinese glove 840 we reached 840, right? The glove king top glove and Hatta 840 840. we kena until 60 cent, right? Top glove dropped from 8 ringgit 40, okay, and okay, to 60 cent. Okay, first is the, of course, the end of the pandemic lah, so doesn't need so much glove lah, the first thing. Secondly, the competition from China, okay, caused this our glove lah, okay, to drop until how much? 60 cent top glove, and Hatta how much? Hatta, okay, see Hatta. Hatta was from okay. Hatta was top at 16 ringgit, right? 16 ringgit drop until, okay, drop until the low. Okay, right. And Hatta also has a closed factory, right, in order for them to stay profitable lah. So 1.38, so you see the competition, so there's no joke lah. Not only Malaysia glove feeling this, all the car, car manufacturer, all these electronic manufacturing from this Japan, all these all feel the heat lah. So maybe after, if this China and US head on, maybe both of them will get hurt lah. Then probably it's an Asian country that hopefully lah, then it's an Asian country that start to rebound lah. Okay, I mean China US they clash also, we don't need to not need to worry about them too much because they are very rich country lah, very rich country. Our country get always get squeezed by this big country lah, so they fight, maybe it's a chance for our country to get advantage, and maybe we can our glove can become the big brother again. Now no more lah, now the glove king, according to Hatta, right, the latest article, right, Hatta say Malaysia is no longer the glove king, right. Okay, probably China is a glove king now lah. So hopefully we can go back lah, go back up lah. Okay.
US tariffs may trigger supply chain turmoil.
Okay, so even supply chain could be interrupted lah. Okay, a quick message before I continue. Talk about the top gainers today. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, let's check out top gainers. Suncon, Petronas, Dagang. Suncon today 6%. Okay, Suncon long term unless can break 4.62, I think slowly, I think they are still, I think slowly I think it's still making, this one downtrend pattern. I think so lah. I'm not saying guarantee, but I still think it's making a downtrend pattern. Okay, so better not do anything. Wait and see lah. Petronas Dagang is still sideways, right? Last time. Still in the sideways pattern lah. Still in the sideways pattern. No doubt today got rebound 5%, but all this could be one day play because of the guardian angel lah. Try to what they call it, window dressing okay, try to dress the market probably. UCHI might have support over here. Double top, you see, it really reached a double top. Maybe might have a rebound, but I think these are chance to run, not chance to. UCHI already went up very high already. Unless US start to make rebound, I doubt this one will continue to rebound. Okay, PLENITU. PLENITU today up 4%. Oh, this one not so good lah. Already starting the downtrend. Let's break 1.59 lah. Okay, let's break 1.59. HUMEIND industry. Okay, HUMEIND industry today got rebound a bit. HUMEIND industry, I think, it need to break out lah. It need to break out this downtrend first. HUMEIND industry need to break out this downtrend lah. Here. At least if you need to break out the 3 ringgit, then only we talk lah. Or else I think any rebound chance to run. HTPADU P meter. HTPADU downtrend, any rebound also chance to run. Also all these are one day play lah, probably dressing lah. P meter. P meter we saw already Saturday, aluminium already koyak already. Okay, so this one better better, any rebound I think chance to run okay. Today up a bit 2%. Maybe can rebound a bit more Echo over. Echo over bottom channel maybe rebound a bit any rebound I think chance to run first. AXIATA today up 2.9%. AXIATA still holding the bottom. You see we got a pin bar. Okay, so it's still trying to hold the bottom. So AXIATA they could be making a bottom hit, but we want to see a breakout first. We want to see a reversal pattern first. Okay, then only we talk. EFRAME. EFRAME looks not bad. Volume 2 million. EFRAME might got something on might got something on. Just break out. Today up 15% too late already. Wait for the second wave lah. Meaning it will retrace a bit, then it start to move again. Maybe EFRAME got something lah. Volume also up 700,000 to 2.9 million. So there are something happening lah. EFRAME. But if you are in, I think it's supposed to be okay. If we stay above here, I think should be okay lah. For EFRAME, I think as long as stay above here, I think should be okay. 54 cents. As long as stay above 54 cents, I think should be okay. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. See tomorrow the 9 maybe you're gonna drop again because of the fear of the tariff, right? So we have to wait and see lah. Okay, talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.